Hello everybody, Brian here, quantlabs.net. We are 11:30 a.m. August 16th. I'm going to show you something that I'm testing and we'll probably implement pretty quickly. Actually, it's running right now, so I'll show you that. Anyways, August 16th, 11:30 a.m. We are going to show you some interesting things. So, on my private chat server, what I posted, quantlabs.info, I'm looking to reactivate my crypto futures bot on Kraken. That's what I meant. The run up for BTC and Ethereum should happen. There are a couple of quick fixes, so it seems to be running okay for now. So I'll test. Just FYI, if you intend to do futures, you need to ensure you're able to trade Kraken futures in your region. So if you click that, that will take you to this link. Now, this is really important. I'm going to get into a political rant here. Here's the countries you cannot trade in: Ontario, Canada. Okay, these are the big Western countries. Australia with an asterisk. We've got in here Japan, UK with an asterisk, USA, and so on. So what does the asterisk means? UK and Australian clients classified as retail are not eligible to trade on Kraken futures. So essentially, if you're on any of these big Western countries, including Singapore, you're screwed. There should be a pattern here that these countries don't want you to do well. They don't want you to prosper if you come across this really strong, high-performing potential bot. This is what I did last time. Okay, so January 30th, 2021, posted this equity curve. I built it myself. Don't laugh. But it went from 16,000 to 2.1 million. Okay, in the year 2021, early parts of 2021, and funny enough, when I think about it, that's when the virus kicked in. Funny enough. Anyways, let's play this on Instagram.
Quantlabs.net. Here's the latest. Huge day earlier this week. 16K, November 11th, and around there. Here's the equity price curve gone all the way up to there, which translates to 1.4 to the 6. Add those 6 zeros, and you got yourself how much it's returned. Do the math, it's pretty simple.
Alright, so that's the upward potential. Now, here's the problem. I can't replicate this type of potential success, I'm saying, to anybody, and I probably won't. It's an unrealistic expectation I put out there. All right, but what I would strongly recommend, you've been having between the beginning of January 2021 to currently now, let's say a year and a half, to build out bots. Now, it's not too late in the game. But if you go to my quantlabs.shop, you can learn how to do this. This is a lengthy process, okay? But when you have these kind of successes, this will change your life. Like, as I said, it's gone from 16K in this Instagram to well over peaked at 2 million in a matter of like 4 months. So here are the bots running, or they do run. And we're just testing it now. It's being reactivated. The code hasn't really changed unless outside of the updates on the Python packages, but everything's run. So right there is where you want to go if you want to start your journey to do this. I mean, I learned it from somewhere. I put up all the infrastructure to get you started right here. Shop now. Right there, quantlabs.shop, and that will take you to this right here. Also, if you want to get on my email list to learn more about this, quantlabs.net/books. Put in your info, submit it. Doesn't get released to anybody, and I'll send you out some info on how to stay in touch. But the best place, to be honest, to keep it private, anonymously, no tracking, is just go to the quantlabs.info chat server. Okay, it's all anonymous and free. That's where I post all my content now. Not on Telegram, nowhere else. I don't do a lot on any of the social media. It's tracked, it's surveilled. Not interested in playing that game. All right, so time is now. You've seen the prices moves of Bitcoin and Ethereum, so they're pretty close to getting ready for it with an account, really tiny account. But even if last time I did it with live trading, went from a couple $100 to well over $8,000 in about 2 years. And I think that same run up and that same kind of X factor could come back with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching.